The last few years have been tough. COVID restrictions have meant big changes in all our lives. We've seen less of our loved ones, friends and colleagues in person, not to mention the places we love and the things we love doing. Our reliance on the digital world has meant the original meaning of a social network has been lost. It once meant being able to build relationships with the people around you. It meant developing real communities and accessing opportunities. We believe that this is still the true value of a social network, and that our transport network facilitates all of this in Wales and beyond. We are the real social network. Our social network has followers, but they're your kids who follow you onto the train for the trip to the seaside. Our friend requests are the mates you're going to meet in real life. Being linked in on our social network means having a real meeting with colleagues on a train whilst you commute together. Our network is vital to getting people back to social normality after the antisocial effects of the pandemic. With restrictions lifting, we're focusing on encouraging people to change their travel behaviour and make more sustainable choices when reconnecting with people, rediscovering places and returning to work. The Real Social Network is our first integrated multimodal campaign, utilising a robust campaign strategy to reach the Welsh public across paid, owned and earned channels. This includes TV, radio, out-of-home, digital media and social media, aiming to change how people think about travelling by train, bus, bike or on foot. Whether it's providing destination inspiration or promoting a ticket offer, we'll inspire people to visit the places they know and love, as well as to explore exciting new places. Our campaign will also highlight the social and environmental benefits of travelling by public transport, as well as the good we could do for the environment if we all spent more time travelling by bike or on foot. Our campaign was captured across Wales, celebrating the diversity of Wales's people, landscapes and the meaningful connections we've all missed. It's a snapshot of everyday life in Wales, connecting, discovering and working, and helps communicate Transport for Wales's commitment to Wales's well-being and Future Generations Act. By changing the nation's behaviour and attitudes towards public transport and encouraging them to use our real social network over their car, we can have a lasting impact on our country, not just for this generation, but generations to come. Transport for Wales, the real social network.